In this video I'll be showing you how you can make subtitles pop in or text pop in Davinci Resolve 18 and beyond that. It is super simple. So first of all, what you need to do is open up your Davinci Resolve. Then you need to open Inspector and Effects. Then from here you need to go into the Effects tab and go and click in the text plus, like so. Then from here you need to go to text and change the text to whatever you want to have in your timeline. Then you can change the font to whatever you want. I'm just gonna click this. You can change the color to screaming yellow. You can change the size if you want to do that. And you can really play around with the text in here. Then from here you need to go into layout. From here you need to go to the size tab down here and click in the keyframe. Then you need to move 4 frames to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But then you need to change this here to 1.2. And just for this, now you need to move the frames 2 more to the right. So 1, 2. Then you need to go to the size again and change it to 1.15, like so. Then from here, you're basically done it. I can quickly show you how it's gonna look like so. And that is how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!